Go. So interesting. Uncle Mike. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. It's not you are smiling like this. I've not seen you this way.
Not that this smiling
Just me. What is it? Wait, excuse me. You said you cleared everything. I know you're not good at maths.
Mathematics.
So tell me.
I have A1 in mathematics. It's surprise you. See, I'm so happy, I'm so excited. My result just came out. In fact, it's so wonderful, so wow. You believe I cleared all my paper?
Congratulations, but you cleared everything. I know you're not good at maths, so shock me. What is it?
Forget about that. Mathematics. I have A1 in mathematics.
Really?
I'm telling you. So interesting. I'm so happy. You don't see me as I just did.
Wow.
As you see me like this.
So how is it possible?
I'm on my way.
How is it possible? Tell me.
How is it possible?
Yeah.
You want to know?
Yeah.
You want to know my secret?
I want to know.
Just me.
Okay,
My secret now. I joined Easy Math Tutor.
Easy math what?
Easy Math Tutor channel.
So
and ever since that, my hair they gone with mathematics.
Really?
My everything is done with mathematics. In fact, as I like this, there's no any mathematics you think. That is what you think you know.
Wait, did they teach simultaneous equations there?
The fraction, operation, trigonometry, and so many more.
Wow.
All the equations, forget about
even math jokes.
Jokes are there. Interesting movies are there.
Please excuse me. Sorry. Please tell me the site again. I'll be the channel.
The channel.
Yes.
What you need to do is just take your phone, open your YouTube, search for Easy Math Tutor channel.
I'll see you later. Make I go just check out that one. I hear you. All right.
Hello, everyone. You're welcome to another exciting edition of Easy Math Tutor. Woo. And on today's show, first of all, let me welcome you to this live show. Welcome to this live show. If you're new to this channel, do not hesitate to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends. And if you are a returning subscriber, I love you so much for coming back again and again and again. I am giving you the title Math Lover. So without further ado, we are going to do some questions for our common entrance students, those who are doing examinations that will take them into secondary school. So this is a text I'm using. I'm using this National Common Entrance Examination, NCEE book. This is what we're using today. And we're going to start solving. So just get ready. Make sure you get your books. Make sure you get your pen, your paper, and let's go on this ride. Let's go on this ride. Okay, so we're ready to start our program. We're ready to start our program. So, the first question on this common entrance mathematics, for your information, it's only 60 minutes allowed to solve how many questions? About 50 questions, okay? About 50 questions. So it's going to take you about 60 minutes to solve the maths, the quantitative aptitude test, and uh, okay, yeah, maths and quantitative aptitude test. But today we're going to take just our quantitative, our maths questions for common entrance. So the first question says, what is the name given to the shape of a milk tin? What is the shape given? What is the name given to the shape of a milk tin? Question one. Okay. Question one. What is the shape, the name, right, of a milk tin? First option there is a box. The second option there is a cylinder. The third option, a sphere. The fourth option is a cone. And the fifth option is a pyramid. Okay, so we all know the right answer. Your guess is as good as mine. If you're in the chat section, you can comment the answer to this problem. What is the shape of a milk tin? What is the shape of a milk tin? Please go to the comment section and give us the right answer. Okay, it's a cylinder. Wow. So that's question one. Question two. Question two. Question two. Question two says, what is the value of the figure 8 in 8576? 8576. Option A is 8576. Option B is 8000. Option C is 1000. Option D is 8. And option E is 1. Okay, so we want to know what is the place value of 8 in this figure. What is the place value of 8 in this figure? We know that 6 is units, 7 stands for tens, 5 stands for 100, and 8 stands for 1000, right? Therefore, the value of 8 in this figure is 8,000. That was pretty simple, right? Well, it gets more difficult as we continue to solve. It gets more and more difficult as we continue to solve. So let's move this question to this portion. So we're progressing. Our third question number is if sorry for that breaking transmission. Sorry for that breaking transmission. So we'll continue. We'll continue. We'll continue, right? Okay. So I'll give you the full screen layout. So we are through with question 3. We got our answer, right? Hooray. We got our answer. So we're going to shift this to this end. That's our question 3. That's our question 3. Okay, so we are moving to the next section. We are moving to the next section. The next section is question 4. Question 4 express, the question says express 976 in words. Express 976 in words. That's question 4. Says express 976 in words. So let's just look at it. We know that 6 is units, 7 is 100, and 7 is 10. 7 is 10. Let's clean this off quickly. 7 is 10. Tens. White 9 is 100. Hundreds, right? So the correct answer will be 9, right? 900. And 76. That is the correct answer for question 4. So the options are all there, but they're so long, I didn't want to waste our time. So the first option A says 90,076. Option B says 9,076. Option C says 9,067. Option D says 967, while option D says 976. Therefore, option E is the correct option. What is the sum of the two numbers? 1 is not one of the numbers. So let me write this down. The product, right, of two whole numbers. Two whole numbers is 65. What is the sum of the numbers, right? So the option says that 1 is not one of the numbers. One is not one of the numbers. Okay. So we know that the product of two whole numbers is 65. So the only two whole numbers that can give us 65, apart from 1, will be what? We know 65 is actually a multiple of 5, okay? So we've gotten the first number as 5. The first number will be 5, okay? First factor will be 5. Then how do we get the next number? Let's say 65 divided by 5, okay? 5 crosses itself out once. 5 divided 6, 1, remainder 1. So if we add the 1 to 5, we have 15. 15 divided by 5 gives us 3. Therefore, the second whole number is 13. So what is the sum of these two whole numbers? 5 plus 13 gives us 18. Option A says 25, option B says 21, option C says 20, and option D says 18. Option E says 10. So our correct answer will be option D. Wow, this is so much fun. So much fun. Maths is fun. Do you like maths? Do you love maths? If you love maths, tell me in the comment section that I love maths. Okay, so let's quickly go to question 6. A bell tolls every 30 minutes on the hour and at half past the hour. How many times does the bell toll between the times of 11:45 a.m. and 3:10 a.m., right? So let me write this question out. A bell tolls, right? Every 30 on the hour. Does the bell toll between 11:45 a.m. and 3:10 p.m.? Okay, so this question, I'm going to use a clock. I'm going to have to draw a clock, okay, so that we can really understand how to solve this problem. Okay, so this is our clock. This is our clock, right? This is our clock. And then on this clock, we have, this is 12, this is 6, this is 3, this is 9. Okay, and then the question says a bell tolls every 30 minutes. That means every time it's 30 minutes of the hour, it's going to toll. And when it's half past the hour, it's also going to toll. So when the time is 11:45 a.m., how many times does it toll from 11:45 a.m. till 3:10 p.m.? Okay, so we're going to count how many hours and how many half past hours we have between 11:45 a.m. and 3:10 p.m. So if you're in the exam, just draw a circle and quickly draw a clock. Okay, so we have, on this clock, we have the hour hand and the minute hand. Okay, so it's going to be 11:45. 11:45 means we have the hour hand between 11, right, and 45, somewhere here. Sorry, somewhere here. Okay, somewhere here. So that's 11:45. 11:45. Okay, then we'll use another color. I'll use another color to draw 3:10. 3:10, right? So the hand will be here, 3 o'clock, the hour hand, and the minute hand will be here. Okay, So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's count together. Okay, let us count together. So from here, from this hour, when this hand moves to, when this minute hand, right? We're talking about the minute hand. When the minute hand moves to 12, it's gonna ring 1 time. Okay, and then when it moves to 6, it's gonna ring 2 times, and then it's gonna be 12 o'clock. So between 12 to 3, it's gonna ring another 6 times, because it rings twice in 1 hour. And then we had 3 hours. That's 3 times 2, giving us 6. So we have 3 plus 6, giving us 9 times. Am I correct? 12. Okay, let's count it manually. We say 12 is 1 time, right? 12:30 is 2 times, right? 1 is 3 times. 1 o'clock is 3 times. 1:30 is 4 times. 2 o'clock is 5 times. 2:30 is 6 times. Then 3 o'clock is 7 times. Then we stop there. So the correct answer is 7 times. So it's easier when you do it manually. It's easier when you do it manually. Okay. So let's push this to one side. At least we've been able to crack 6 questions. We've achieved a lot today already. Aren't you happy? I'm so ecstatic. I'm not just happy, I'm ecstatic. So our question 7 says the product of. Question 7 says the product of 65.43 and 0.8 is what? So we're going to multiply this, right? So we'll say 65.43 times 0.8. Whenever we're doing our multiplication, always write the numbers according to their decimal. Okay? Decimal should be on the same position. So we're going to put a quick 0 here so that we can have an easier place. So we'll start with 0. So we'll say 0 times 3, 0, 0 times 4, 0, 0 times 5, 0, 0 times 6, 0. Then we continue with 8. 8 times 3 is 24. So write 4 carry 2. 8 times 4 is 32. So 32 plus 2 gives us 34. So write 4 carry 3. 8 times 5 is 40. So we have 40 plus 3 gives us what? 43. So write 3 carry 4. 8 times 6 is what? 48. So 48 plus 4 is what? 52. So write 52 on this side. Okay. So is there any need for us to multiply with 0? No, there's no need. So add this up. Okay. We'll add this up. This is 0. Let's clean it properly. This is supposed to be 0. So add this up, we'll have 0, 4, 4, 3, 2, 5. Now we have these numbers. What are we going to do with these numbers? What are we going to do with these numbers? Quickly, we are going to start to count decimals from this side, right? We'll count. So let's start to count. Well, how many are we counting? We're counting 4 decimal places because the two numbers being multiplied are 4 places. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll count 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, our final answer is 52.344. 52.344, and that is correct in our option E. Option E says 52.344. Hooray! I'm so ecstatic. I hope you are, because we are progressing. If you have any question, kindly join the comment section or the live chat section and ask your question. Quickly ask a question, right? Okay, that's question 7. Question 7. Now, our next problem, question 8. Let's attempt question 8. We're not going to stay too long in this class. So, the question says divide. Sorry, question 8 says, what is the difference between 45 and 0.45? So we say question 8 says, what is the difference between 45 and 0.45? So our answer will be 45, right? So we're going to put 2 decimals because remember I said it has to be arranged according to decimals. 0.45. So we're going to multiply in the conventional and traditional way, the way we all know how to minus things, subtract things. So we'll say, we'll borrow 1 from here. First of all, borrow from 5, remaining what? Remaining 4. So we'll now have 10 here, right? So if we borrow 1 from 10, 10 minus 9 will remain 9 here, leaving us with 10. So we'll say 10 minus 5 gives us what? 5. 9 minus 4 gives us what? 5. 4 minus 0 gives us what? 0. Sorry, gives us 4. 4 minus 0 gives us 4. And 4 minus 0 gives us another 4. And there we have it. We have our final answer, 44.55. You don't say 44.55. That is tautology. You say 44.55. Okay? So we are progressing. We are progressing in this class. So we have question number 9. Question number 9. Question number 9 says divide. Q9, right? Says divide, right? 14.658 by 0.6. Okay? 14.6. So when I see this, I do not like to use a long division sign. Rather, I like to use fraction. So I will say 14.658 over 0.6. Over 0.6. So how are we going to do this? We're going to do this two methods, but the first method is we can just decide to cancel out by 6, okay? Or we can move the decimals. Whatever you do in the numerator is what you will do in the denominator. You can move the decimal one place in the numerator and move it one place in the denominator, right? Giving us 146.58 all over 6. So now that the denominator is a unit, it's easier to solve this problem. It becomes easier to solve the problem. So we're going to divide through. We'll start with 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1. 6 divided by 14 is what? 2. Remainder 2. 2 remainder 2. So we have 26. 26 divided by 6 is what? 4 remainder 2. 4 remainder 2. So write the 2 here. So we have 25. 25 divided by 6 is 4 remainder 1. So we have 18. 18 divided by 6 is what? 3. Therefore, our answer will be 24.43. Wow, things are getting better and easier. So let us move this problem, push it to one side because we've accomplished this. So we'll push it to one side. So this is question 9. This is question 9. So now let's go to question 10. And after question 10, we're going to have a short break. Okay? After question 10, we're going to have a short break. So, Q10. What is the value of m plus n all over p plus q if m is equal to 18, n is equal to 15, p is equal to 6, and q is equal to 3. Solution. So substitute the values right into this expression. M is 18, N is 15, P is 6, and Q is 3. So 18 plus 15 gives us what? 8 plus 5 is 3, carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1 gives us 33. All over 6 plus 3, which is 9. All right? So we're going to divide through. What can divide the numerator and also divide the denominator? That would be 3. 9 divided by 3 gives us 3. 33 divided by 3 gives us 11. So our answer will be 11 all over 3. Converting this to a mixed fraction, 11 divided by 3 gives us what? Gives us 3 remainder what? 2 all over 3. And that is our final answer. I can find that in the options. Option E is our final answer. So we're going to go on a short break while we get ready for the final segment of this live show. This is the time for you to ask questions. If you have any question, do not hesitate to ask Easy Maths Tutor. I'm here at your service. I'm here to help you pass your common entrance examination. So see you after the break. See you after the break.
Oh my God, so interesting.
Uncle Mike. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. It's not you are smiling like this. I've not seen you this way.
Not that this money video
Just me. What name? Wait, excuse me. You said you cleared everything. I know you're not good at maths.
mathematics.
So tell me.
I have A1 in mathematics. It surprised you. See, I'm so happy, I'm so excited. My result just came out. Oh, in fact, it's so wonderful, so wow. You believe I cleared all my paper?
Congratulations, but you cleared everything. I know you are not good at maths, so shock me. What is it?
Forget about that. Mathematics. I have A1 in mathematics.
Really?
I'm telling you. So interesting. I'm so happy. You don't see me as I just did.
Wow.
As you see me like this.
So how is it possible?
I'm on my way.
How is it possible? Tell me.
How is it possible?
Yeah.
You want to know?
Yeah.
You want to know my secret?
I want to know.
I
Just
just
me.
tell me.
Okay,
Okay, my secret now. I joined Easy Math Tutor.
Easy maths what?
Easy Math Tutor channel.
So
And ever since that, my hair they born with mathematics. I'm telling you.
Really?
My interesting is born with mathematics. In fact, as I like this, there's no any mathematics you think. At least what you think you know.
Wait, did they teach
Bring
equations there?
The
Fractions.
fraction, operation, trigonometry, and so many more.
Wow.
All the equations, forget about
Even math jokes.
jokes are there, interesting movies are there.
Please explain. Sorry. Please tell me the site again. A bit channel.
The channel, what you need to do is just take your phone, open your YouTube, search for Easy Math Tutor channel.
My brother, I'll see you later. Make I go just check out that one. I hear you, alright.
Okay, we are back. We are back. If you can hear me, can you just give me a smiley in the live chat section? Okay, so without further ado, let's quickly run over because we have just 15 minutes to the end of this particular video live stream. So we stopped at question number 10. So we are in question number 11. Question number 11. Sorry. Question number 11. Sorry. Sorry, we have a little. Okay, question number 11 is a diagram. There was a diagram that was written down in the book. So it says, what fraction of the diagram above is not shaded? What fraction of the diagram above is not shaded? Okay, question number 11. So we're going to draw the diagram. It's not a difficult problem at all. It's just a rectangle with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 squares, 7 equal squares in it. So we'll draw, okay, we can use a line to demarcate 7, right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 7 squares. 7 squares. Okay, so we'll draw another one here. And then we're going to use, I'm going to have to clean off this other part. Okay, so this is what the diagram looks like. This is what the diagram looks like. So the diagram looks something like this. Okay, the first part is shaded, right? First part is shaded. The third square or rectangle is shaded. Okay. The fifth, I think the fifth is shaded. Yeah. This other one is also shaded. Okay. Okay, so our problem says, what fraction of the diagram, that's question 11, says, what fraction of the diagram above? As I'm writing the question, just be providing the answer, okay? Of the diagram above is not shaded. Note that all the squares or rectangles, right? Let's call it rectangles, are equal in area. Are equal in what? Area. I like such questions because these are practical questions. You don't need to use your calculator or calculate anything. What you do, you just count, okay? So how do we solve this question? We're going to count how many squares we have, both shaded and unshaded. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? So that is going to take our denominator, right? 7 will be on our denominator. So the fraction that will be not shaded, we are going to count together. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. So the fraction of the squares that are not shaded is 3/7. So according to the options, option C is our correct answer. Hooray! This is beautiful. I love this question. It's a very simple question. This is a free mark. if you're writing the exam and you see such a simple question, jump at it. You should be answering this question in 5 seconds. Okay? So the next question is question 12. Our next question is question 12. So let's quickly solve it. Question 12. Question 12 says, a pupil copied down a sum incorrectly, right? It says a pupil, that's a student, primary school student, right? In the school. Copied down, copied, this is copied. A sum incorrectly, right? A sum incorrectly using 1/5 plus 2/6, right? Instead of 4/5 plus 1/6. Wow, that's such a big error. The students copied down 1/5 plus 2/3 instead of 4/5 plus 1/6. So the question is, what is the difference between the correct and the incorrect? Between the what? Correct and incorrect answer. Correct and incorrect answer. Okay, so we are going to reduce this problem because it's taking up our whole space. So do it like this. Okay, so we will write the incorrect, right? Solution. Incorrect is 1/5 plus 2/6. So we're going to add this, right? So what will be under our denominator is going to be the LCM of 5 and 6, right? So because of time, you can just say 5 times 6. That's a faster way. So 5 times 6 is what? 30. So we say 30 divided by 5 is 6. 6 times 1 gives us what? 6. While we have 30 divided by 6, giving us 5 times 2, giving us 10. So the incorrect sum is 16/30. While the correct sum is 4/5 plus 1/6, right? 4/5 plus 1/6. So the denominator will be 30. When you're writing your exams and you don't have time to find the LCM, you can just multiply the two denominators of the fraction. So we'll have 30 divided by 5 gives us 6 times 4 gives us 24. 30 divided by 6 gives us 5 times 1 gives us 5. So our answer will be 29/30. So the question says, what is the difference? What is the difference is 9 over 30. Hello. I don't know at what point I got cut off from this live stream, honestly. Okay. I know there's a point where everything went off. So sorry about that. Oh, we're not able to solve question. I was not able to solve question 12. Okay. it cut off at question 12. So we are just going to end the show at this point. Maybe tomorrow we'll continue at question 12. So I'm so glad and happy that you were with me on this live stream. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for watching. And I'll see you in our next class. We're going to have 3 classes for our common entrance students today, tomorrow, and next tomorrow, by the special grace of God and by the special strength of God. Thank you for watching. See you in my next class. I love you. And do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends. I'm so happy to see you. I'm so happy to be with you. I want to encourage you to try to support this channel by joining the membership, by joining Super Chat me, or Super Sticker, so this channel can continue to be beautiful. So I'll see you. Bye.